how to stream audio only on Twitch using your mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we need to simply click on Twitch. After that you guys will simply click on profile. Now you guys will see stream manager, but you guys need to be quicker. Once you guys click on stream manager, the window will pop up like it will be some type of 3 second transparent screen, but in that transparent thing on top right corner you guys will see three dots. So once it appear you guys will click on the three dots. So now I will click on stream manager, so you guys will see that thing, and I will click directly on that three dots. So let's click on stream manager. After that I will, sorry I miss it, let's try again. Now click on stream manager. Now three dots. Once you guys click on three dots you guys will see audio only. So when you guys on it, your stream will be just audio only, and your chat will be show on your stream. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.